Today we'll continue our series on mathematics of finance. We're going to be looking at how we calculate the portfolio of a beta. How we calculate the beta of a portfolio. So basically, what beta does is it measures the volatility of a stock relative to the overall market. We've done something similar to this before, but that is for calculating the beta of an individual stock. I'm going to leave the video right here. However, to get the beta of a portfolio basically is a basket in which you have various securities, various investments put into one basket, which is in this case the portfolio. So to get the portfolio of a beta, to measure the volatility of that portfolio relative to the overall market, we need two things. The first one is basically we need the weight, which is expressed as in percentages, and we need the beta of the individual stock. So we need those two things. At the end of the day, we sum all our individual security are individual assets. We sum all of them together to get portfolio of the beta. So we'll take a quick example here. So the first example we have here, we have from security A down to security E. We have the amount investable. We need to get the weight, like I said, and we need we've gotten the beta already. Now to get the weight, like I said, it's expressed as percentages. We have amounts investable on each securities, amounts investable on each securities. And this is our available funds. So we need to get the weights basically. How much are we investing in security A? What percentage are we investing in that? So we need this, which is the first parameter, 16,000 divided by the overall amount that we have here. So I'm going to click on F4, your cell reference in Excel to log this, and I copy this down. Using Control D, and we have that. At the end of the day, the summation of all this should be equals to 100%, which is that the available funds has been exhausted. So we've gotten the weight of the assets, gotten the weight, and we have the individual beta of the stock. We need to get the multiplication of the weight times the beta, which is basically your weight multiplied by the beta. So you have this for security A, just copy down to get for security B to E. Now we've gotten for each securities. Now to get the portfolio of the beta, we just need to add all this together, which is basically equals to, and we have this as beta of the portfolio, and that is how you calculate beta of portfolio. Thank you.